In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a list in HubSpot. Now to do this, you want to open your dashboard, then you want to go over here on the left where it says CRM, hover over it, and then go to segments or lists, okay? So these are basically in some accounts called segments. It's the same thing. You want to click on it over here, and this is going to allow you to create a segment, which essentially is going to be a list. So I'm just going to click on create segment, and then over here you want to select what you'd like to segment. So I'm actually going to go with contacts, but of course you can go and select anything else as well. I'm just going to go with contacts, and of course you can go and generate segment filters over here if you wanna, and then you can just hit the next button at top right. From here, as you can see, it's going to say welcome to new segment. You can go and hit these next buttons over here, and of course close this whenever you're done if you want to go to this kind of tour. And then from here, it's going to allow you to put in your different filters. So I'm actually going to go and add a simple filter. I'm just going to do contact owner over here, and I'm going to do, let's do contact owner is any of, and I'm going to do it myself over here. Okay, so that's going to be a super simple filter. If you want to do anything else, you can do it over here. You can add filter groups, you can add more of them, etc. In my case here, you can see the estimated result is like that. So you can see there's two contacts, which is 50% of my database. These two people are inside my contacts, and the contact owner is myself. And then over here, you can just go and add new ones, stuff like that. So it's completely up to you which segment or list you want to create. And then you can just go and click on next, top right again. And as you can see, you can then review this and save this. You can make it active or static. I'm going to make it active. I'm going to keep it like it is. I'm actually not going to generate anything, and just click on save and process segment. And there we go. That's really all you have to do to get a segment, okay? Or to create a list, which essentially is going to be pretty much the same thing. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.